What's good with it, y'all, man? I want to show y'all today a lot of the shoes, if not most of the shoes that I will have for sale on my website for Black Friday on up and through the holidays. Most of these shoes will be 20% off, and then maybe like one or two, maybe like 15 if you do or order based on your size. But these are all just like freelance work that I'm producing so I can have this sale, and so more people can have my artwork and all that good stuff, man. So this is one of the reasons why y'all ain't been getting videos consistently out of me as of lately, because I've been having to handle orders on top of getting ready for this sale and different events and all that kind of stuff. So I'm about to show y'all these. All of these will be sold with the with the exception of just one pair, which is a order, but I'm gonna show y'all them anyway because I figured I got a lot of shoes out here, so it would've been hard to get a shot of those along with the other customs. But I'm about to show y'all and break down the sizes and everything, and man, let's get it. Okay, for the first pair, we got these Rick and Morty guys. This is actually in order, but you know, I just had to show y'all these. They came out super hard. I gotta ship these out today. You know, this the other side. Went crazy on the focus up for me, Cam. Yes, sir. Did the insoles. Ricky on this side. I don't know if you can see it, but Morty in this side. You know, big pressure. But this pair right here is a size 10 in men. So if y'all want these size 10 in men, they will be 20% off. On to the next one. I actually got, this is a pair that I do just, you know, made, what am I talking about? This is like a made to order pair, you know what I'm saying? You put your size in or whatever, and I mass produce these. So you know, this pair is actually just a pair that I have to ship out today an order, but these will also be 15% off all the made to order shoes. This pair is a size 10 in men also, so yes sir, these will be 20% off too. So man, I got that heat for y'all, man, you know what I'm saying? Jordan 1s, mids, then we gonna move on. Got some Forces right here, man, and a nice little fade on them. You know, the blue going to that purple and pink hard. All of that. These right here are a size 9 in men. That's 10 men. That's a 10 men. And these are a 9 in men. So 20% off of these. These right here are 10 in men. So 20% off of these too. Got a nice little, kind of like a lava cartoon artwork is type of deal to it. A little abstract feel. Hard, you know what I'm saying? 20% off of these. This pair right here is a size 7.5 in women. So that will be like a 6U, 6Y pressure. Nice little colors on there. Try to give it like a little fall feel, but you know, just a little add pop of color. Brown laces on that guy, brown swoosh. Just nice, man. Good little tones of pink on there. 20% off. I'm gonna keep on reminding y'all. So this pair is another pair of the fall collection that I've been working on. Come on, camera, focus up for me. We're playing. Let the people see you in your entirety. Yes, sir. Well, yeah, man, this is part of the fall collection. These would be great for the fall. You can get real drippy in these. You can wear these with an array of outfits, you know what I'm saying? These are also a size 6. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's a size 6 in men, which is the same as those. These pink pair right here, so size 6 in men. Well, 6Y, you know what I'm saying? It's all the same thing. If it's up under a, what is like 7.5, it's basically youth. So we got another pair right here, and this is also a size 7.5 in women, which converts to a 6 youth or 6 in men. Nice cartoon. You see the little colors on the air sign, give it that extra pop. That green goes so stupid in there. With the orange inside, 20% off, man. My prices will never be this cheap. So I just want y'all to be able to have my artwork, man, and be able to get dripped out there in these streets, you feel me? So 20% off of these size 6 youth. This is another one, size 6 youth. I heard y'all loud and clear. Well, I don't know, y'all ain't been saying it, but when I go to my events and stuff like that, a lot of people say I don't have, you know, smaller sizes like youth and women's sizes. So tried to make that happen for y'all, man. And like I keep on saying, these will be 20% off too, up until January 1st, well, January 2nd. So, but the thing is, you want to hurry up. If you gonna try to get them, you better get them, because they gonna go quick. And if you want a pair like that, they will be more expensive, because I do these mass produced and all that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? You can order your size or whatever, but will be a little bit more expensive unless you order them on the Black Friday sale, which they will be 15% off instead of 20% off, because this is one size. Here we go again. This is a size 6.5, so you know what I'm saying, just a half size bigger than the other ones. Size 6.5, nice little splattered thing on there, you know, pops of color on the sock liner and all that good stuff, man. So y'all make sure y'all shop, man. Y'all, this is the opportunity right here to get, you know, you a pair of Cadet Customs, man. That's a size 6.5, 20% off. These right here are size 6. This might be my favorite pair of the fall collection. It's just very simple and very fall tone. Y'all know I love my loud popping colors and everything like we finna get to, but you know, nice little fall thing, simple, but man, they really go off. 20% off, size 6 youth, size 7.5, and women. Oh my goodness, all this talking is making me tired. But this is another pair of Air Max 90s. These I actually will have priced very low, you know what I'm saying? And they are brand new. All 3 of these brand new. They just don't have a box. Ah, my goodness, they just don't have a box. So you see the colors, nice little cartoon, that pop of the Cadet on the toe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I mix them neons. But yeah, man, size 9 men. Let me show you the other shoe, because they both are different. You know, I got that nice little orange with lavender cartoon work, man. So y'all, if y'all want these, man, hurry up. They may, I don't know, I might post them early on my website, but the sale won't be on until Black Friday. So if you really want them that bad, you can buy them early for full price. These again, nasty. You know that Cadet signature, man. Yes, sir. These are new, like I said, new without the box. Size, dang, what size are these? Hold on. Okay, I got it. These are size 7. Size 7 youth. Oh snap. Just a regular size 7 youth. You know, I'm trying to get y'all right with the smaller size, my small foot people. Women, kids, small foot men, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get y'all right, man. And then for the last one, but this will not be the last one. I'm gonna continue to work and get shoes done. These right here, man, these might be one of my favorite pairs that I've done, especially, you know, Warhawk theme wise. These are size 8.5 in men. Just give y'all a nice little look over of them. 8.5 men, 20% off. Woo! Come on, y'all. These are one of ones, man. Come on now. You will be the only person on this earth with this pair. So, man, if y'all want to shop. Alright, man, so hopefully, you know, that helps y'all out to be notified about the sale and everything. I'm gonna make a couple more videos, just keep on reminding y'all that if you want these, and then, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna keep on making different pairs and all that kind of stuff. So y'all stay tuned, man. The Black Friday sale, holiday sale is gonna be insane. I'm gonna have a bunch of shoes, a whole lot of them. I'm just dropping them. I'm painting shoes just about every day and dropping them on my website, and they will be the cheapest they have ever been. 20% off of my freelance work, 15% off made to order shoes, and I also will have a lot of like my custom clothing and stuff like that on there. So, and that will be 30% off. So I'm out here working for y'all, man. So I'm gonna try to get this video out soon, very soon. And man, I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate y'all constantly supporting the kid, you know what I'm saying? Don't think I done forgot about y'all, because I ain't been dropping super consistently like I would like to, but I just been working, man, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? And I'ma catch Black Friday, the sale happening.
People backstab me.